How's it going, people? Right, sorry about the previous video. I think, maybe I didn't feel comfortable in myself uploading a video that I didn't feel comfortable in. Do you know what I'm saying? But anyway, we continue. I've headed down the country, had some time off. Now I'm just heading down to Stonehenge to meet up with a couple of friends and do a bit of work on their van, my van, and other people's vans.
Right, fuck it, you are on the shit camera. I apologise if the audio's crap, I apologise if the images is crap, but my GoPro 8 I think is dying. It films for about fucking 2 minutes and then just goes BUH! And just shits its pants and turns off. I don't know why. But anyway, I want to say a huge thank you to anybody who bought me a coffee. Now, I don't push that on anybody. If you want to do that, that's on you. But the few people that I have, thank you so much. Some people got out their way and even gave me more than what I even thought, expected. Just a little cheeky £5 coffee would, help me massively. But some people have gone the extra mile. Do you know what I mean? So, if you're watching this, people, thank you very much. Massive help. But yeah. Let's try and get some filming done with a camera that works. This might be a bit crappier than the other one, but at least we've got something, eh? At least we've got something. So, oh well, on with the shit camera. We'll get something recorded, and we'll get this Iveco cover gasket in. Oh, it's one thing after another. I know I say it every video, but it really is. Oh, fucking hell. Right, let's get moving. So with this one, let's take globe plug off, intake manifold off, all the little gubbins and pipe work running around the back, that pipe off, this cover off, that cover off, and then we should see if we've even got the right gasket. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Cows is.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hello.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She doesn't like me though.
Joe.
He's like, no, I'm going to bite him. He's coming in through my little dog flap.
He's coming through my window. Look, it's Joe.
I'm not even going to risk myself. So there we are, I'm talking to myself, and there's you lot listening, and there like that. Myself. Myself. I'm so not enthusiastic with filming right now. So now I've got all that off, look, you can see where it's been leaking all down this side, look, and it drips down that way onto the exhaust manifold further down. So the next step is removing the crank sensor and then attacking all the 10mm nuts all around the outside. now it's just a case of cleaning it up as best as I can, getting on surface on the top as mint as I can. I have noticed somebody before, when they put the gasket on, put instant gasket on this end and on that end, so I can only assume that there was a underlying issue there somewhere. Maybe the old gasket, I don't know. So for safety reasons, I'm just going to put a little skim of instant gasket round the new gasket before I seat it down on the head. Just, it ain't going to harm it, it ain't going to do any problem, it's just giving it another little bit of sealing, you know what I mean? And then once the new one's on, I can clean off all the old engine oil, and then I should, hopefully, have no engine oil leaks from the top. Because that's what's all down the back of my gearbox. It's all leaking off the back down there. Right down the back. But now it's just a process of trying to clean it all off, which is not as easy as it sounds. Great. So this little bad boy, instead of having 1, 2, 3, 4 glow plugs on a normal generic diesel, we have a single flame heater. Well, the little pump at the back squirts a little bit of diesel up that pipe into there, ignites it at the bottom when you turn the key, nickel flame, boom, and away she goes. We start the old girl up and start looking for leaks. Now, I'm 100% sure I've got this leak, but we won't know properly until we take her for a good drive. So we'll go for a drive tomorrow to get some bits to help fix Aiden's van. So we'll only time will tell, eh? And it's just started to rain. I think I timed that perfectly, to be honest with you. Happy days. But yeah, you can see that gasket was shot. It was very, very brittle, where you just bend it a little bit and it'd crack. Oh, so fingers crossed that's sorted my oil leak, you know, or at least slowed it down to the point where it's not that anymore, maybe it's something else. Do you know what I mean? Like, you sort of reduce the leaks going on. Obviously she is getting old now, so it's going to be a case of keep replacing these rubber parts that have perished and cracked. But eventually I'll go round it all, and like you say, it'd be new, wouldn't it? It'd be new. But yeah, that's what I'm doing for the afternoon. I'm quite tired. I might have a little nap. I think I'm on about going for a little wood run. So I might end up doing that. I'm not entirely sure yet. I want to try out my new boots. Got some new boots. Now, if you haven't seen the penny fan one, right, these are my old boots. So these are the old faithfuls. I've had them for years, right, but the stitching's all going around the front. They're not waterproof anymore. They're still my old faithfuls. They just slip on. The grip's coming off the bottom of it. And I thought, you know what, I'll treat myself to some new boots. I thought I deserve it. I deserve it. Do you know what I mean? Like, you got to have nice footwear, man. Otherwise you got sore feet. You don't want sore feet. So, bam! Some more John Cliffs. Right, they were John Cliffs before. They were brilliant, so I thought, you know what, I'd stick with the brand. And these look deluxe, and they're well comfy. So, hopefully, these will see me through for a good few years. But I'm not always entirely sure on the whole glued seam kind of thing. I like the stitching. But I guess we'll find out. Oh, I guess only time will tell. But I'm going to make a brew and I'm going to chill out for a bit. I still need to do some editing. Like, I haven't even started a video and it should be going up tonight. Now, I apologise for that, people. I've just been swamped with everything in life and everything in mentally, everything with just trying to find my peace, man. And, you know, sitting there and trying to make these videos, I don't want to make a shit job of it. Do you know what I mean? I like to have a level of doing it. But hopefully I can get something started today, and if not, it'll be going up at the start of the week, something like that. So yeah, I'll see you lot later on.
That's a stormy one. That's a stormy one.
Look, yep.
That we,
That's what we're getting.
the rain is coming.
I just picked that.
Now, Aidan and Biff's dog, Callie, is on point with recall. But the baby calves I think just wanted to play with her, which was quite entertaining. But that added with the fact that the calves would come close to us and then the mama cows would be like, oi, stay away from my babies. So yeah, we kind of sort of have to move quickly across this field, especially when the storm is coming.
Ali.
You beautiful bastard. They're like, it's raining, get in quick. The rain is coming.
I know.
Oh, that's going to rain so hard. I hope we get back in time.
Dark and gloomy.
Look at it, that's leaving. How we get here. Oh, can we do a little run? That's like, I don't care if you're waterproofs, you'll get wet. I haven't even...
The storms are coming. The storms are
For a
coming.
little jog.
It's a muddy one. You're for a jog.
I'm serious.
So we're just dodging the rain. It was time to get back to the van, get the heater on, get some food on, and get cosy. So I'll leave that one there. Don't forget to keep it real, keep it safe, keep it true, and I'll see you lot in the next one. Ta-da.